Hey, welcome to Life with Kernel Lee. I'm Kernel Lee. Today we're going to take a look at a top quilt for hammock camping. Check out this top quilt from AYAMAYA. Let's check out the AYAMAYA top quilt. So it weighs 3.32 pounds. Alright, let's get the pack size here. So we are 13 inches by 7.5. So if you're looking to extend your hammock camping into the colder months, you're going to need some good gear. So let's check out this top quilt from AYAMAYA. This is good quality gear at budget-friendly prices. So it's not down material in here. It's just a synthetic blend of material. But for the price point, you can't beat the warmth that this thing provides. So I did camp the other night, and it was probably about 63 degrees for the low. And with this AYAMAYA underquilt, I really didn't use the top quilt till probably about 2 in the morning. You just slip in here. So I keep these Velcro tabs undone. So there's 3 of them there. So if you like to keep this, together, and it's kind of like almost a sleeping bag form, you can keep these Velcro tabs right here together. But to get this on easier, I keep these undone. And that opens up your top quilt a little bit more, probably about halfway. So it makes it easier when you're getting into your hammock to slip your feet in to the foot box. And then you just put this over you like a blanket. And you can kind of stuff this down under. And there's also a drawstring up around the top, so the collar area, you can cinch that down around you if you need to. So really you can kind of use this like a sleeping bag, but it's more convenient as a top quilt. So this top quilt is plenty big enough for me. I'm 6 foot, I weigh about 220 pounds, and I have no issues getting in here, and it really covers me. I mean, I can tuck my head into it if I need to. So it's really easy to slip into here. I keep these 3 tabs undone, so I just keep it open to the side. I'll just slip in and show you how we do it. So see, here we have the opening here. So I'm just going to slide my feet in there and just pull it over. Then you pull it all the way till your feet hit the end, and I'll pull it all the way up so you can see how far it does go. So it's a really good size top quilt here. So yeah, you can really bundle up with this thing if you really want to. So if you're looking to extend your hammock camping into the fall, maybe cooler temperatures in the winter, and you want to keep it budget friendly, check out AYAMAYA. This top quilt is really nice. So this material on the outside is water resistant. So another good attention to detail that AYAMAYA puts into the product is, you see these sewn lines here? These are little chambers. So that synthetic fill, the insulation that keeps you warm, these little ridges are sewn in as like pockets. So it's going to keep all that material into place. So you can actually throw these in the wash, and all your fill material is not going to go to one end. And also, when you're just using this, as you're using it, you're going to be tossing it aside, you're going to be rolling it up, putting it in the stuff sack, And it's nice to know that when you take this out to use it, all your fill insulation is right where it needs to be. That is a nice attention to detail that AYAMAYA has put into not only their top quilt, but their underquilt.